Greetings, universe. This is Fadayz from the Self-Expression Project, and you're watching Speaking Tips for Beginners, Part 1. The road to speaking can be a long, cold one if you don't know anyone in the field, so make as many connections as you can from day one. At the same time, with the right imagination, you can turn that same road into a fun adventure that later becomes an intriguing speech for the future. So just keep that in mind. Here's a handful of must-knows when on a path to speaking. These tips should be helpful the next time you introduce yourself to someone for the first time. That, as well as everyday conversation, job interviews, and breaking the ice in the most awkward of moments. Is it over yet? Who are you trying to reach? This is one of the most important questions you'll find in the game. What is your overall goal? This should stay consistent in order for it to happen. Where are you trying to take this venture of yours, and by when? Why would someone want to listen to you as opposed to someone that's already out there? Find that reason, study everything about it, so when that elevator speech time comes, you're ready. When will be the right time to present your presentation? The answer to that should always be, right now. Posture. Confidence speaks many languages. Posture is one that it speaks fluently. What you're wearing says a lot about you. Make sure what you're speaking about weaves into what you have on. Personality. Become what you speak, and you should be all set with this one. The ending. Always end strong. You can end with a call to action, or you can open the floor up for a discussion. Or you can just leave it open-ended and keep people thinking. It's up to you. Here's an example of one way to end a video. If I get 100 comments on this video, I'll make another one on how to get past the wall of nervousness before walking out in front of a crowd for the first time. Until then, peace. And as always, you are the adventure you seek.